Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we have a watch that I've wanted for quite some time, but sadly this model is not available in my country, so I bought it from Amazon. This is the Casio TRT-110H, specifically the 8AV variant. It comes with a grey resin case and strap with some nice blue accents. Its main features include mud-resist construction, a vibration alarm, a 10-year battery, and 100-meter water resistance. And the best part, it is surprisingly affordable. There are also several other color options. One of them has a negative display and honestly it looks very cool. But after reading many user reviews, I found that the display is quite dark and difficult to read. So I decided to play it safe and choose the positive display version. Here is the box that came with the watch. Actually, the packaging is a little better than what I usually get from my local Casio dealer. Inside the box, we get the watch, the user guide, some safety papers, and a simple plastic display stand. Nothing fancy, but everything is well packed. The first thing you notice is the size. This is definitely not a slim watch. It has that old school rugged digital watch look with a large protective bezel and a strong outdoor style. It's almost like a budget version of a G-Shock. The large digits are easy to read, and there is a small feature indicator in the upper right corner of the display. One thing I noticed, the strap design reminds me of the Casio W735 and W736, especially since all three models include a vibration alert. Here are the dimensions. Lug to lug is 51.3 mm, the width is 48.4 mm, which is quite large, thickness 15 mm, and the weight is only 51 grams. So yes, it is a fairly large watch, but although it looks chunky, it is actually very lightweight on the wrist, so even with the size, it feels comfortable for daily wear. The watch uses a positive LCD display. The main time is large and very easy to read. At the top, you get the day and date while in timekeeping mode. It also shows the current time in most other modes, except when the stopwatch or timer is running. On the upper right, there is a small indicator showing the active function, and overall the display is clean and simple, and the legibility is very good from normal viewing angles. By the way, I would not recommend the negative display versions if you often use your watch in dim lighting. The case is made from resin. The main highlight is its mud-resist construction. The buttons are smaller and well protected by the bezel shape. The crystal is resin glass, also known as acrylic. It is less likely to shatter, but it scratches more easily than mineral glass. As a tip, light scratches can usually be polished away with products like Polywatch. Moving to the back, the case back is stainless steel and secured with 4 screws. It is engraved with the watch specifications. The resin strap styling matches the rugged design very well. It is fitted to the case using 18mm spring bars with a curved connection. It also has a wave pattern that helps improve airflow. Maybe it's just me, but the strap feels a little stiff when it's brand new. But after some break-in time, it becomes much more comfortable. The buttons feel different from many other Casio watches. To be honest, they are harder to press. This is probably because of the mud-resist construction and the protective button design. It looks like the entire button assembly is designed to improve mud resistance. And the good thing is that accidental button presses are very unlikely. One feature I really like is the vibration alarm. You can quickly turn it on or off by pressing and holding the start button in time mode. No need to enter complicated menus. Another nice feature is the confirmation beep when returning to timekeeping mode, and you can also jump back to timekeeping mode from any other mode by pressing and holding the mode button. The TRT-110H has 100-meter water resistance. That means it is suitable for swimming and snorkeling. Besides the 100-meter water resistance, the mud-resist construction also helps keep mud and dirt away from the buttons. Inside, it uses a CR2032 battery. Casio claims the battery can last around 10 years. The watch includes all the basic functions you would expect. First is the timekeeping mode, with the top display shows the day and date. Next is the countdown timer. There is no auto repeat function, and the current time remains visible on the top display, but it disappears once the countdown starts. Then comes the stopwatch. It offers 1/100th of a second measurement and includes a 5-second auto start feature. The current time is shown on the top display, but it also disappears during auto start and when the stopwatch is already running. Next is the alarm. It includes one daily alarm and an hourly chime. And finally, there is the dual time function, which is especially useful if you need to track time in another time zone. The TRT-110H uses Casio Super Illuminator LED. The white light is very bright and evenly lights up the display. Reading the watch at night is very easy. The only small complaint is the duration. The light stays on for only about 2 seconds before turning off automatically, and there is no option to change the light duration. About the vibration, this feature is similar to the Casio W735, Casio W736, and the newer W738. When vibe mode is enabled, the alarm, hourly signal, timer completion, and stopwatch auto start use vibration instead of beeps. This is much more useful than simply muting the watch. It works well in quiet places like libraries, meetings, classrooms, recording studios, or around your little ones. The vibration feels like a light tap on the wrist. Personally, it is not strong enough to wake me up, but it works very well as a reminder, especially for hourly signals. And at least to me, the vibration strength feels about the same as the W735 and W736. On my wrist, the watch feels very comfortable. Even though it measures almost 48 mm wide, the weight is only 51 grams. That makes it much lighter than it looks. If you have an average wrist around 7 inches like mine, the size feels just right, although it is on the larger side. If your wrist is much smaller, then the watch may look a little oversized. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it has excellent value for the price, and then also tough mud resist construction. It has useful vibration alarm, long 10-year battery life, and then lightweight and comfortable despite its rugged size. On the other side, there are also things you might want to consider. The buttons are quite stiff. The resin glass is prone to scratches. The stopwatch and timer hides the current time while running. The large case may be too big for smaller wrist, and the strap might need some break-in time. The TRT-110H is built for people who need a tough digital watch, and overall I think this is a fantastic budget digital watch. It gives you the rugged feel of a mud-resist watch without paying G-Shock prices. It is simple, reliable, very durable, and offers excellent value for the money. So if you need vibration alerts, a long battery life, and a watch that can handle rough outdoor use, then the TRT-110H is definitely worth considering. But if you prefer something with vibration but easier to press buttons, you can also check out the Casio W735 or W736. Or if you want a smaller vibration watch, check out my review of the Casio W738H. That's all for today's review. I will also post a full tutorial soon, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a great day.